Hello family, this is Beverly Black, and today we're going to learn how to make a new recipe, and this recipe is Chessy Asparagus Casserole. So stay tuned so you can learn how to make this recipe. Okay, the ingredients for this Chessy Asparagus Casserole is 2 bunches of asparagus, 1 teaspoon of butter, a 1/2 ounce of cream cheese softened, 1/2 cup of heavy whipped cream, 1 tablespoon of chicken broth, 1/4 teaspoon Italian season, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, 1/3 cup of parmesan cheese grated, 1/8 cup of pepper jack cheese grated, 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese grated, 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and 1/3 cup of bacon crumbs. You will need a 9 by 13 casserole dish, and preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Okay, I have already prepared the asparagus, and I'm going to get ready to line them up in the dish. I've already washed and cleaned the asparagus, that's what I mean to say. So I'm just going to put them in the dish now. You need 2 bunches of asparagus. To make this recipe. A lot of asparagus. And we're going to put them all in here. These bunches were full. Okay. Next, you will need to have your saucepan on the stove so you can make your sauces, and you make them at medium heat. You cook it, you start it out at medium heat. You melt your butter first. And I have put the cream cheese in with it. Okay. You preheat your oven, which I've already told you, to 400 degrees. Wash and trim the asparagus. Grease your 9 by 13 baking pan and lay them in it. Okay, in the skillet, you put your butter on medium heat. Then you melt the butter, and then you add the softened cream cheese. And next we will add the heavy whipping cream, which is 1/2 cup. Turn this down a little bit. Okay. Add your heavy whipping cream, the chicken broth, keep stirring it because you don't want it to stick to the bottom. The garlic powder, paprika, Italian season, and the salt and pepper. 1/8 cup, 1/8 teaspoon of salt and pepper. Put a little more. And reduce the heat and allow the sauce to simmer until it thickens. Oh, it smells good. Get my whisk over here. And let it thicken up and put it on low. I told you that. And this will take a few minutes for this sauce to thicken. And once it thickens, we will add in the cheeses. The sauce is thickened, so we're going to add the Parmesan cheese and the pepper jack cheese. Keep stirring so it won't stick. Okay. Now we're going to put the sauce on the top of it. Make sure you don't put the sauce up on the little stem, up on the green, the top part there. Put it down the middle. Some over here. Now we add the mozzarella cheese on top. And your half a teaspoon of the red pepper. Okay. Looking for my measuring cups. Here they are. And a teaspoon, 3/4. Okay. Now here it is, and we're going to put it in the oven for about 15 minutes. But if you like it crunchy, like your asparagus crunchy, you can cut the time by 2 or 3 minutes less. So if you want your asparagus crunchy, you can do it for maybe 12 minutes or 13 minutes. And then after the 15 minutes, I will bring it out of the oven and put the baking crumbs on top and put it back in the oven again for 2 or 3 minutes, and it will be done. And I'll be back with you then. Here is the cheesy asparagus casserole right out of the oven, still piping hot. You have to try this recipe. Everyone have a blessed and prosperous day. And for those who are my subscribers and new subscribers, I have a membership button, a join membership button on the channel now. So if you can, go ahead and join and be a member. Become part of the family and the perks that are offered in the membership. So go check it out. Everyone have a blessed and prosperous day. Remember, I love you, but God loves you more because you are God's masterpiece. Bye-bye.
Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. I'm growing